Hey everyone, welcome back to the Real Programmers. Today we are diving into one of the hottest debates in tech, that is SQL versus NoSQL. Whether you are building the next social media app, streaming platform, or e-commerce site, making the right database decision is crucial for your project success. We are going to unravel the mystery behind these two database giants, breaking down their differences, and even explore how Netflix used both SQL and NoSQL to deliver a seamless streaming experience for millions of users worldwide. And by the end of this video, you will gain a solid understanding of SQL and NoSQL, their core differences, when to use each, and even explore a real-life example including Netflix. In this video, I will discover the fundamental of SQL, a powerful tool for managing structured data, and example of SQL. We will understand the versatility of NoSQL databases for unstructured or semi-structured data and what are the examples of NoSQL. We will also cover when to use SQL, when to use NoSQL, and what are the use cases to use them. We will discover how Netflix used both SQL and NoSQL in their application. Now let's deep dive what is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to communicate with relational database. It's like a common language that interacts with your database to manage and manipulate data effectively. SQL allows for powerful data retrieval, data aggregation, data filtering, and data manipulation. There are popular databases that use SQL for data processing. MySQL is widely used open source RDBMS. It is cross-platform, scalable, and integrates well with different programming languages and tools. Postgres is an open source RDBMS with advanced features like support for complex data types. MySQL is an RDBMS developed by Microsoft. It is used by business for managing and analyzing structured data. Oracle RDBMS is a proprietary RDBMS developed by Oracle. It offers enterprises-grade features like security features, backup, and recovery mechanism. And the last one is Amazon RDS. It is a SQL server that operates in AWS cloud environment and is fully managed by AWS. Now let's talk about what is NoSQL. Unlike SQL, NoSQL databases are not limited to tables. They are flexible, scalable, and perfect for unstructured or semi-structured data. NoSQL is built for dynamic, ever-changing data, perfect for social media posts, IoT device, or real-time application like gaming. NoSQL is a language used to query non-relational databases like MongoDB, that you have got document stored for JSON-like data. Redis, that stores key value pair for caching or session management. Cassandra stores like white column for time series data. Neo4j like graph database for complex relationships such as social media. These are popular databases that use NoSQL for data processing. MongoDB that supports JSON-based dynamic schema. Redis that store in-memory key value pair. Apache Cassandra is distributed NoSQL for handling large amount of data. HBase stores data in a column way, which built on top of Apache Hadoop. And the last one is DynamoDB, which is fully managed NoSQL database service provided by Amazon AWS. Now let's discuss when to use SQL. When you have a structured data that is well organized, follow a fixed schema, and relationship between them are crucial. Example: e-commerce platforms with a customer products and order schema, in which you can see each schema has a relationship between them. Next is ACID compliance. Whenever your application requires high data reliability and transaction integrity, some common examples include financial system, inventory management, and e-commerce platform. So these are the example where ACID compliance is mandatory to use. Last of them are complex queries and vertical scaling. If you need to perform complex queries, or if your application fits within a smaller to moderate scale where vertical scaling required, SQL is a fantastic choice. It is the backbone of many analytics dashboards and reporting systems. Now let us discuss when to use NoSQL. Here are some common situations. If your data doesn't have a schema or comes in various formats, NoSQL is a great choice to use. For example, in a social media platform, user post can contain text, image, or video, or emoji. Each post might look different, and you don't want to restrict it by a rigid schema. So in this case, NoSQL like MongoDB is a great choice to use. Next is horizontal scaling. If you are dealing with massive data volumes, high traffic, or real-time analytics, NoSQL is your best friend. Imagine a video streaming services like Netflix or YouTube, where millions of users are streaming videos simultaneously. A NoSQL database can easily scale horizontally by adding more servers to handle this load, ensuring a smooth user experience. Next one is flexibility in schema. So if your application needs to evolve rapidly or handle diverse and changing data types, NoSQL flexibility in schema make it powerful choice. It gives you the freedom to adapt and grow without being bogged down by rigid structure. And the last one is distributed systems. If your application needs to handle geographically distributed data and provide fast, reliable access to users worldwide, NoSQL databases are a fantastic choice. They offer scalability, low latency, access, and a high availability, making them perfect for distributed systems. Now let us understand Netflix data strategy and how they combine SQL and NoSQL. Netflix uses MySQL for managing structured relational data like content, metadata, and transaction, for handling massive real-time and distributed data like user preferences, viewing history, and logs. Netflix relies on NoSQL databases like Cassandra and DynamoDB. This combination helps Netflix balance reliability, flexibility, and scalability to provide a seamless streaming experience for millions of users worldwide. If you found this video useful, I have also posted SQL versus NoSQL article on LinkedIn. You will find the link below in the description section. Hope you will like it, and hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop a comment below. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.